Hello friends, I am Vijay. In this tutorial I will teach you the Unity UI, basics of Unity UI. If you are new, that's a very good tutorial I'm creating for the beginner who are new in the Unity and who don't know what is Unity UI, new UI. Previously in Unity, uh, whatever the in Unity UI related things, we have to do some coding. So there was GUI method is available. In the on GUI, you had to do coding for just making a button. You have to give some X, Y, and width height component. You have to put into the if condition. There was lot of effort we have to give for the UI things. But when Unity launches Unity UI, it's come very simple. So you can easily create any kind of component. Just right click on the editor in hierarchy. So here is the UI section is there. So whatever you want to create, like button, text, input field, so all these are the Unity UI related control. So control means all the controls like text, image, button, all these options are available in Unity UI. Okay, I'm creating just simple text. Okay, so when I'm creating a simple text, you see that there is a canvas component is already attached. Inside the canvas, this text is generated. Okay, what is canvas? Canvas is very most important thing in Unity UI. Whatever the Unity UI component you are creating, that should come inside the canvas. Canvas is the parent object. You will see that this is the child object. Okay, so whatever the UI related things you are creating, that should be under the canvas UI image. So you can position the from here. Okay, so in this tutorial I'm teaching you what is canvas. Canvas is a component that is attached on this canvas game object. Okay, so whenever you are creating any objects related to UI, this rect transform tool comes by default. Rect transform is something is different from the transform component. In the transform component, you will see that X, Y, Z position, rotation, and scaling. But in the rect transform, you will see the X, Y, Z and width and height of that component. Suppose I am creating a image, it has a XYZ position. Okay, and it should have the width, this is width and this is height. Okay, so there are the anchor points is there. In the next tutorial I will teach you what is the anchor point and pivot point. Okay, for this tutorial I am teaching you the canvas component. Okay, rotation, scale, whatever the property is same like transform, but in the rect transform this anchor and pivot point is added and width and height, nothing else. Okay, in the canvas, if you when I created this image text, that should come that is coming under the canvas. Okay, so in the Unity UI they are defined, you can render the UI component on the screen. That is this is my screen. This is a game view, and when I'm clicking, this is a scene view. I can see here. Okay, so you can see that this is a image. Okay, this is text. So I can position from here 000. Okay, it come here. So if I want to change the text value, this is a text component attached on this object, I can text from here. like I can give the name of any person, John, like that. You can resize it from here. Width and height you can give. I'm giving 200, sorry, and 60. You can change the font, normal font size, style, whatever the property. If you want to change, you can change it, color, whatever. Okay, so in the canvas, the text is not visible, so I'm increasing the font size 25. I can make it white color, so it should be more visible. Okay, so right now it is not needed. This text position is the middle center, and why position is like that. Okay, I'm talking about the canvas. It Canvas has three render mode: screen space overlay, camera space overlay, screen space camera, and the world space. I will tell you what is the difference in these three. Whenever you are creating this component, text component, by default it comes with the screen space. Whatever the screen is rendering, so this component is rendering on the screen, not on the camera. If I disable this camera, no issue, this my text is visible. Because why? This is screen space related. Whenever you are creating any UI related component, it is coming with the default camera, no issue. If no camera is available, then there is no issue with the rendering. It's fine. Okay, so it is drawing, this component is drawing on the screen, not on in the real world or with the camera, it means. Okay, so whenever I'm selecting this screen space camera, it means that component is drawing on the screen space, but it is dependent on the camera. In Unity you can create multiple cameras in the scene, no issue, you can create whenever. So in the canvas, see this render camera, I'm assigning this camera. Okay, so this camera is responsible for rendering this canvas, it means. Okay, when I will disable this camera, you will see that this text has gone, not visible. Okay, if suppose I have another camera in my scene like that, if I disable, you will see that there is a scene you are seeing the scene, there is no issue. Like I will say I created cube, you will see that cube is in the camera. See that if I enable this, so you see that camera is responsible for rendering that cube, and this camera is responsible for rendering the canvas. That is a difference. Okay, for now I'm telling the difference between the world scale. So if you know, in Unity, whatever the object in the scene, that is with respect to world. So this cube has I created. So in the world space, its position is 0, -11, and Z's position is 9.11, like that. So with respect to world coordinate, its position is like that. If I want to show some UI on this cube, how can I do that? Unity has given facility to me. I can show the UI things on this game object also, no issue. I am enabling this camera. So how can I do that? I can create a one more canvas for that thing. In Unity UI you can create multiple canvas, no issue. You can create multiple. So I'm assigning this random mode to world space. Okay, in the world space its position is somewhere in the world, 512 like that. So I'm making it 000 because I want to draw UI on the cube. I'm creating just simple text inside the camera. So we'll see that this text has generated in the canvas. Canvas size is like, you will see from the rect transform. This is a so much big canvas, so I have to scale down this game object because it is so big. Okay, now it's good, but I have to put on the cube, so its width is very high. So now its position is 0. Okay, now you can see that this text is on the cube. I will see that the difference. If I want to move this camera, you can see that text is on the cube. I created one more canvas. I given the render mode to the world space, so it rendered the world space. Whenever I created this canvas, it was so big, so I kept scale down it, and the width and height I reduce, and I change the position. I make the child object of this cube, so I can position it properly on the cube. So the benefit of this canvas is like, whenever I am moving this cube, this canvas and all the child object will move with this game object. So now in this tutorial you have learned the basics of canvas of Unity UI. So in the next tutorial I will teach you the next Unity related controls, button, images, like that. Okay, thank you very much.